YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today it's Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, and it's a nice little 58-degree day. It's supposed to get up to 61 later, but I wanted to go ahead and go right now. So I got my Dash and Supply Mission gloves, got the Dash and Supply Mission windbreaker. Oop, got a leaf right there. And then I got like a thermal base layer shirt underneath, and then just jeans and stuff. And I should be good to go today with just that. It's not the coldest day, obviously, so it should be good. I went yesterday and tried to record this video, but my damn GoPro was like acting up and stuff, so I couldn't. It just messed up. But it was like, I think it was like 56 when I went out, and I was wearing this, and it was fine. So here we go. Took a little longer to make this video than I wanted to, but I was sick this whole past week. I think I had COVID or something, but yeah, I'm definitely feeling a lot better now. And it didn't help that it was like 70 degrees and then it went straight down to the 30s, and then I got sick, and then it just, yeah, it was just awful. But here we are. It's a beautiful day. Going for a little ride. Hope you guys are gonna have a good Thanksgiving. Get together with family and whatnot. Have a good time, eat some good food. We're good to go. I wonder if we'll see any other bikers out today. Someone later on in the day, yesterday, when I was in my car though. But I was like, alright, because when I went out earlier, it was just me. I didn't see any other bikers. But right now, feel just fine. I don't have my thermal pant like layer on under my jeans, so we'll see how that feels. But right now I feel fine. I know my upper body is gonna be fine. And then this jacket really goes all the way up your neck too, so it doesn't really let any air in up, which is nice, because I didn't know if it was gonna be like not enjoyable, since I didn't have like a ski mask or anything to help mitigate some of that wind up top. But now I feel just fine. We're gonna hook a left up here. Follow this truck. Take it easy on it, since tires, it's cold. It's been cold lately. Let them warm up and stuff. But yeah, man, it's so nice out today. I mean, it's like, without riding, it's nice out. Like if you just went for a walk or something. But I mean, obviously once you start riding, you get that wind chill, obviously. Right now I feel great. My legs are just a tiny bit cold, but there's nothing like to where it's just gonna annoy me. Like, it's not gonna annoy me, I mean. It just, you gotta deal with some stuff if you wanna ride in the cold. And then I know it'll be fine because I have some thermal layer pants that I can throw on when it gets colder. So I'm good to go. Hopefully this stoplight isn't too long. If not, I'm gonna have to cut the part video out, and I think it is long, unless it is. Yeah. But let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are still riding right now. About to be Thanksgiving tomorrow, like I said before. I know in some areas they already have a bunch of snow and stuff, but we'll see. They said it's supposed to might not get that much snow this year, but we'll see how that goes. That would be fine with me if it's just cold. Because I hate when there's so much snow you can't, it like just impedes you from going out and doing stuff. That's when it gets annoying. Big help with this front wind fairing though too. If I didn't have that, it would definitely be a lot colder. Oh, there are some riders out there. Nice. But yeah, if I didn't have this whole thing, it definitely would be a lot colder than it is right now. So yeah, this thing is definitely nice. I know I definitely would be a lot cooler. Well, I'm not cold. I mean, it's cold obviously, but I'm not like shaking or it's not unpleasant yet. So wonderful day. Definitely gonna go out for a ride tomorrow. Hopefully try to record something. I'll think of something. Cause I don't know how many more high 50s days we're gonna have this left this season. Oh yeah. That's what it's all about right here. Just getting out there and riding. Slow down, stop up here. Slow down. Yeah, I haven't been saying much this ride. Just testing out this gear, really. Seeing how warm it keeps me. Right now I'm doing just fine. So yeah, these gloves, it's really nice that I can put the cuff of my jacket inside, so like that it prevents air from going up my sleeves. Cause last year I didn't have that, so it was like really pain in the ass. Like it would definitely be a lot. My forearms are so cold, but now I don't have to worry about that. A lot of construction going on right now. Really got to be careful in this area. People drive like idiots here. So I can see what's going on ahead of me. Yeah, I'm just glad I'm able to get ride today. Yeah, I just really dislike the snow. When you're in school and stuff and you're a kid, yeah, it's nice. You get snow days and stuff, but once you become an adult and then, yeah, you want to go out and do stuff, man, the snow really becomes annoying. Can't imagine already having put my bike up for winter or something, because snow's like crazy right now. That'd be awful. Staying in this lane because I'm taking a left. Not at this light, but the next one. All you guys gotta do if you want to ride in the cold is layer up. I have zero heated gear on whatsoever right now. Granted, it's not the coldest that it could be, but you know, pretty comfortable. I remember this time last year on the naked bike, I was pretty damn cold. But now that I got the right gear, I'm good to go. I remember yesterday, when I got home, took my gloves off. My hands are sweaty in these, so that's good. Like, there's like no really wind protection on my hands. Like, I don't have the hand guards, and these are doing a really good job of keeping my hands warm. I know if I was wearing just the regular thrashing, like my regular gloves, the stealth gloves, it would definitely be really cold. But so I made the right choice by grabbing these today. No issues, they feel great. Hands are warm. They're, like I said, these aren't really super thick, so you have a ton of movement in your fingers still, which is good, which is what I want, because I have thicker heated gloves, but if they're like, there's not much room between the mirror and here, that would be really annoying to get, like, to just mess around with your fingers. That's all I can think of today right now, though. I'm still warm. I don't want this video to drag on too long, you know, so we'll just keep it short and sweet. I'll probably do another video tomorrow, think of something better to talk about, maybe an actual topic or something, but thanks for tuning in today, guys. Hope you guys have a good Thanksgiving and it's still riding, and have a good one. Peace.